Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm getting ready to film the Slay Glam spoilers video. I'm so excited for this box. We're getting Anne's collaboration palette with St. Angel Centers. Can't wait for that. We're getting a Jello shot shade in Aqua. I love the Jello shots formula. I'm like so excited for that product too. We're getting a white eyeliner, is the like sharpen type. We're getting 2 lip liners and 2 lip glosses. So I'm excited for that box. I can't wait for it. But today I thought I would come back and do another look with this Thankful palette that we got out of the Slay Glam box. I really just want to use this like blue silvery shimmer shade right here. It is like so pretty. It looks like denim to me. So I thought it would pair really well with this e.l.f. and American Eagle collaboration palette. Love this palette. I don't really use it that often, so I was like, ooh, that will pair so good with some of the blues in here. So we're going to be playing around with both the palettes today. So we're just going to go ahead and jump in on the eyes. I already have my eyebrows done and my lids primed. I'm going to start off with the e.l.f. palette, and I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called Cargos, and I'm going to use that in my transition area. This e.l.f. palette is really nice. The quality is really nice on it. I just don't reach for it that often, mainly because I have so many palettes. Honestly, I only do 3 or 4 looks out of each palette, and then it's like I'm getting new palettes, so it's like moving on to the next one. I really want to get into doing like shop my stash videos because I really have so much makeup that I really need to start using up. Okay, so for my outer corner, I'm going to go into this blue shade right here. This one's called Indigo, and I'm going to just pack that on the outer corner. So is everybody ready for Christmas? I'm ready. I finally got all my shopping finished. I have like a few things to pick up for Christmas dinner because I do host Christmas at my house. So all my family comes down and we just hang out for the day. Usually my dad makes his potato soup. Everybody loves Pop-Pop's potato soup. I do like a ham and turkey with some rolls. Nothing fancy, but everybody's full by the time they leave, and that's all that matters. So I'm just going to go back in with a little bit of that first shade and buff out that blue. Now I'm actually going to take a different brush and go into this shade right here. This is like a shimmery blue, and I'm going to put that right on top of that dark blue shade just because I love shimmer. And I am going to put it in the crease as well. Okay, going back with that blue brush and just blending out. And then going back with the first brush and blending out again. Just a lot of blending. So now for like the best part, we're going to go into this blue shimmer shade. We're just going to apply that to the front part of the lid, and this color is stunning. This color works so good for like denim blue. And the quality on this palette is amazing. I mean, these really are like butter. They go on the lid so easily. So now I'm just going to dip back into that shimmery blue shade one more time and just buff the two together. I love this blue. It's so pretty. So I am going to use a makeup wipe to clean up. Okay, so now I'm just going to use this like icy highlighter and use that on the brow bone just to brighten it up a little. Also on the inner corner. Now I'm just going back with that very first brush and blending out so we don't have any harsh lines. Now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of black eyeliner on the waterline. This is the one from Ione. I get it from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. It's really smooth on the waterline and it's very black. I love that eyeliner. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of this Mirabella serum and put it right under my eye, where I just use that makeup wipe, because anytime you use a makeup wipe then it's taking off your skincare. So I just like to put like a nice serum that sits underneath of makeup well under my eye just to hydrate it. That just helps to keep your concealer from looking so creepy once you powder it. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of primer, and I'm just using this primer from Pure that I have. It's really nice, hydrating, and I'm going to put that on the rest of the face. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using this one from e.l.f. This is the Camo CC Cream. This is in the shade Light 205N. This is like my winter shade, and I'm like, here we are. My tan's almost gone already. And I'm just going to use this with a dry beauty sponge. I'm like, I don't know, this one might be a little too light. Like all of my foundations right now are not matching my skin tone. I think this one's gonna work just fine. The lighter ones are definitely working better for me right now compared to my darker foundations. So we can always warm this back up with a little bit of bronzer. And the coverage with the CC cream is just so good. I love the coverage and finish of this foundation. But I feel like it just like matches my neck pretty good. Okay, so now I'm going to go into cream bronzer, and I'm going to use these two. I got these from Temu. I really like them. Colors I mixed together though. And I just dab in the first one, which is 01. And then I dab a little on the second one. This one's 03. And then I apply to the skin. It's really nice bronzer. I like it a lot. Very affordable, of course, because I got it from Temu. I think it was like $2 or $3. Of course, the like container itself gets messy, but I mean, that's to be expected. And this brush that I'm using is the one that I got from P. Louise. Love their brushes. This is the F33 brush. It's so good for bronzer. Now for cream blush, I'm going to use this one that I got from Temu as well. This one is 06 Songbird. Just going to apply a little bit. Because I did blue, I like to do more of your like neutral peachy undertone blushes. And this one is just so nice from Temu. They're pigmented, they blend out so nicely. Very easy to work with. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm just using this one from e.l.f. This is the Light Sand in the original. This one might be a little too light for me, but my darker one is too dark. So we're just going to make it work. I like to blend out the edges of my bronzer. Take it all the way to the temple. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Iconic London liquid highlighter. Love this liquid highlighter. And I like to just like blend it out with a brush. I will powder this and it will still be showing through. And I'm just going to use the banana setting powder from Bella Pierre. Same thing, tap it out and then set. And then just take a fluffy brush and set the rest of my face. Do you see what I'm saying about that highlighter? You can still see it so well even after I powdered my face. Like that's a good liquid highlighter. Okay, so now for powdered bronzer, I'm going to go into the Beauty Crap Vitamin Babe, and I'm just going to kind of swirl the whole thing and add bronzer. This is a really nice bronzer. We got this in one of our subscription boxes. Not sure which one though. I think bronzer is my favorite part of makeup. I love to use it. Now I'm just going to contour the nose just a little bit. I don't like to do too much because I haven't been contouring my nose very long, so don't really know what I'm doing. Just trying to do it. Okay, so for powdered blush, I'm going to use the Burt's Bees. This is the Toasted Cinnamon. I love this color with blue eyeshadow. It just gives your cheek like a really warm vibe, and it looks so good with blue shadows. I love this blush. Now that I've applied the blush, I will go back and just tap with my bronzer. I just kind of like to keep blending when I add layers. So for highlighter, I'm just going to use the same highlighter that I used on the eye. It's an icy white. Love this highlighter. Now that I added the highlighter, I'll go back and just tap with the blush one more time. Then I'll go back and tap with the bronzer. Now I have been liking a brighter under eye, so I've been using this Jaclyn Hill translucent setting powder, and I just like to run it down the nose and under the eye, and then I run it straight down the nose in the center. Now I go back with my contour brush, not adding anything to it, and just buffing out again. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go into the shimmery blue shade on a little pencil brush, and then just smoke out this lash line. So pretty. Of course, I like to bring it out and connect. So for lips today, I'm going to use this Appeal lip liner. This is in the shade Deep Taupe. Really smooth on the lip. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this Hank & Henry. This is the Satin Matte Lipstick in the shade Lust. Now I'm just going to run over the brows with a little bit of brow gel. This is from Oma Beauty. I'm going to curl my lashes. And I'm just going to use my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I'm also going to add a little bit of my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. Sometimes I like to mix my mascaras. And I love both of these mascaras. And then last but not least, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Love the setting spray. It kind of makes you have like a glow from within. Like, I don't know else. Like, it doesn't make your face look like glittery or anything like that, but you just have like a really nice, like healthy glow to your skin. It's so pretty. It makes your makeup last all day. I would definitely recommend the setting spray. Okay, girl, so this is the completed look. I absolutely love how this look turned out. So happy I filmed this one. But as always, girl, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.